fantastic friends. We are doing a quick power walk before work and working out with resistance bands. So this is easy, it's quick. It's just getting it in before I go to work. And when you're up in the morning and you got to get off to work, you got to wake up a half an hour early or something like that, especially if it's raining or something, and just get it in. Let's get that walking sassy in. But we're just going to step nice and easy. Just going to bring our arms out. Just get everything ready to get our day going, right? I'm so excited because I'm always excited because when you wake up it's a beautiful day, right? Woo! Thank you for working out with Bonji. That's right. I got that 30 pounds to lose. Woo! Yeah. So we are just stepping sassy before work. Let's get those arms working. Get them in it. Get everything in it. Stand up straight. Core tight. That's right. Like I said, it's not going to be long. Something just to get you going for the day. Bring those knees up. Woo! Yeah. You can, I like to move around with it. Just step up, step back. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to see if I can. That's it. Just trying to get myself ready. I'm going to pick up these bands. So this will be in the description. So if you have resistance bands, that's cool. If you don't, just like when we go up and squat, just do your squat like that. You don't have to have the bands. Just do whatever. Grab some weights, water bottles, anything. Just, we're going to get it done today. And that's what we're actually getting ready to do right now is some squats. So make sure you get we're going to do squats and arm curls. Make sure you get your resistance that's good for you. See if I can. Make sure you got a tight grip on these babies with your feet, nice or firm. Under the middle of your feet, your foot, wear speakers. Just trying to get my resistance right here. Gotta get it right. Alright. So I just want to go a little bit over. There we go. And then we're just going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that's tight. 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that was kind of tight. Wow. We'll walk that off and we're going to do that again. Woo. Trying to get the thing. And we're going to do that again because that was fun. Got that 30 pounds to lose and still working and, trying to stay healthy and sane and stuff. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, when all of the little chubbiness comes off, it's going to be awesome. I just wanted to see if I could fix this. I feel like a little crooked or sideways or something. Let's see. I'm feeling a little sideways. All right, that was nice. That was cool. Woo! So now we're going to take our bands while we're still up. Just go around, get your resistance. Make sure you just get your nice resistance. Let's go, and I just like to go, you know me, I love to go in my little squat position. And we're just going to go out 1, 2, 3. I can tighten those up a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice. Just walk that off, baby. Woo! We're going to do another one. Do sets of 3s if you can. I have work. I got to get prepared for work. But sets of 2s are good too, because we're just, working out, just getting ourselves ready for the day. All right, we're going to do it again. Just going to press out. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Woo! And just step it out. Nice and beautiful, right? Easy before work. Little workout. You know how I like to get that walking sassy in. All right, we're going to drop one in. And we're going to wait a minute, kind of got it backwards. Okay, find your resistance. Nice little stance. And you're just going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! And just step. We're going to do that one more time on that side. Wow. I love my resistance bands, my new thing. Woo. Okay. Just going to be ready. This was a quick, easy walk it out. Get your resistance. And 1, 2. I put it tighter. 6. 9 and 10. Woo! And we're going to just go to the other side with that. I just like to keep my sassy walking going on. We're working out with Bonji. Make sure you get your resistance. And we're on the other side. Whoa! Okay. Let's fix that. That just came straight off. Just keep on stepping. Get that back on there nice and secure. Alright, we got it. Secure. Alright. Sometimes we have those moments, right? So we're just going to go with find your resistance and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, woo! 9 and 10. Woo! Walk it off a little bit. Walk it off a little bit. Yeah. Woo! And we're going to do that again. Oh. Well, my phone's ringing. Hold on. Oh, that's just my alarm clock actually telling me to get up. But I'm already up doing this thing. Okay. Yeah, it's like time to get up. I'm like, I'm already walking sassy, Mr. Phone. Right? Mr. Phone man, Mr. Alarm Clock. Alright. loosen that resistance up a little bit, and we got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Alright, so that was that. 2 times. Now we're going to take it to the other side. Get that resistance. You can hold on to a chair if you like on this one. So we're going to get our leg. Do the same thing. We're coming up, but we're going to go over to our knee. Bring our knee up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're just going to get that other side. I like that one. Woo! Get your resistance, and just going to go over. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tight. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo! Just walk it out. Walk it out. I'm going to turn this off. It's annoying. Woo! Got the dismiss. All right. Woo! So now we're just going to do a little bit of stepping. Oh, man. I love my resistance bands. We're going to get some more. Woo. So now we're going to take it. You're going to step on your resistance band. Make sure you step in the middle. And then you're just going to find your resistance. Just going to hold them both like that. Put it together. Just hold and find your resistance. Find your spot. And then we're just going to pull back. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 15, 13, 14, 15, and wow, this alarm clock is relentless, man. Woo! That is relentless. We're going to do the other side. And then we're just going to go back to the other side and do it. Let's do it twice. So just get your resistance, put your bands together, nice little stance, and pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And we're just going to go to the other side and repeat that again. Nice. 15, and other side one more time, and we got that done. Just a little quick, easy before work, wake you up. I'm ready for the day. Tai Fine we're doing right now. Still got to work out, tone up. Even though I'm back to work, I still gotta. I got 30 pounds I want to lose. You know, and just however time it takes. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yeah, so we worked out with some resistance bands today. How cool is that? I think we did the squats. I'm not sure, so I know we did, but I want to do it one more time because I love my squats. And arm curls. We're just going to do that one more time. But I don't even think I did it twice anyway. So make sure you get a nice stance. And we go into our squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuck it in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 11, 12. Yeah. 13. 14 and 15. All right, we did it. Woo, nice little workout before work. Thank you for working out with Bonji. Wow. That was nice. Woo. Got to work on these and this and just everything. But what I'm working on more is my positive attitude. I'm trying to stay positive in the crazy times right now. So just remember that. Times are rough, things are crazy, but we can always make it through with a smile, I suppose. All right. Just a little bit of stepping, and we have done it. A nice little before walking or workout, before workout with Bonji. So I'm going to get up. This is like literally 17 minutes. It'll take 20 minutes of your time just to get up and get yourself ready and in a positive mindset for the day. All right. So you guys have a great day. All right. Thank you for working out with Bonji. Let's get this all going. And please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm uploading. All right. Have a great day. See ya. Oh, that's a new computer.